So guys, welcome to back. Access to C drive it's denied on Windows 10, 11, almost same. Okay, so I give you some step and method so you can follow and resolve your issue. Okay, click File Explorer. Otherwise, you can open this PC. Okay, this is your C drive. C drive. Right click, show more, and then click Properties. Then click to Security, Edit. First, desktop users to allow all, administrator allow all, select one by one, and then allow all, or account unknown and allow all, and then apply. Yes. Okay, continue, 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 and then okay, again okay. Okay, then close it. So guys, check back sector in your drive. Click to start and type cmd. Right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes and type chkdsk space c column and hit enter. Now this is start for the scanning and check your ssd and hdd to health. Okay, first step complete. Now this is second is working, almost 60% complete. So finally we can check the result. If your disk issue, so we can show in this result. Okay, we are able to show this is 0 kb in bad sector. Okay, this one, so means no issue from your disk. So this is a sfc scanner. So how to run this is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open cmd, click to start and type cmd. Right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, Then last